Dog. Oh, thanks, Sheep. I can't wait to play princess. But first, we need a crown. I have the letters C and R for the cr sound and the N for the n sound. But I need an ow sound. I just can't remember what letters make the ow sound. Oh, I know. O-W. Ow. Thanks. Cr, ow, n. Crown! Oh, what a beautiful crown. We can take turns being the princess. Ow!
It seemed that Sheep and Bear both wanted to be princess.
Oh, I'm sorry, Sheep. Did you want to be the princess first? Oh, okay. Well, I crown you Princess Sheep.
Bear was very kind to let Sheep go first.
Princess Sheep, proclaim you, Dog, to be the royal knight of Word World. Okay, let's play. Hey, what about me? Don't I get to be something? Oh, I'm sorry. Well, Bear, you can be my royal lady in, waiting. Oh, okay. What am I waiting for? Well, I guess you're, waiting for, your turn to be princess.